unsung heroines of philosophical thought. Ever wonder who truly shaped our understanding of justice, morality, or reality? For centuries, the story of philosophy has been told almost entirely through the voices of men. But what if I told you that some of the most brilliant minds in history have been systematically erased from this narrative, simply because they were women? Today, we are going to uncover the hidden legacies of philosophical heroines and their ideas that continue to resonate even now. Philosophy is often seen as the domain of abstract thought, logic, and argumentation, but it is also a reflection of the society that creates it. In many eras, women were excluded from formal education, denied entry to universities, and dismissed from intellectual circles. Yet, despite these barriers, women have crafted profound insights into ethics, politics, metaphysics, and the nature of knowledge itself. Their contributions were not occasional, but sustained, rich, and revolutionary. Consider Hypatia of Alexandria, a mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher who lived in the 4th century. She taught in the halls of the great library of Alexandria, inspiring students with her mastery of logic and science. Her tragic death became a symbol of the suppression of knowledge, and yet, her intellectual brilliance continues to inspire modern thinkers who study the intersection of mathematics and philosophy. Then there is Mary Wollstonecraft, writing in the 18th century, whose treatise, A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, laid the groundwork for modern feminist philosophy. She argued not only for equality in education, but also for the moral and intellectual recognition of women as full participants in the human project. Her work challenged centuries of deeply ingrained assumptions about gender, reason, and the capacity for ethical judgment. Philosophy is not just abstract theorizing. It's a dialogue about how we live, how we govern ourselves, and how we relate to others. Thinkers like Simone de Beauvoir showed us that existentialism and ethics are incomplete if we ignore half of humanity. In her groundbreaking work, The Second Sex, she dissected the structures of oppression, revealing the ways in which society constructs inequality, and she did this long before modern social theory took shape. And yet, these contributions have often been overlooked, footnoted, or absorbed into broader philosophical canons without proper attribution. Women philosophers from ancient, medieval, and modern periods, figures like Hildegard of Bingen, Émilie du Châtelet, and Hannah Arendt, have each provided insights that challenge and expand the way we think about reason, justice, and existence. Their work is not just historical curiosity. It has relevance for today. When we reclaim these voices, we see that philosophy is richer, more nuanced, and more humane than the narrow, male-dominated narrative suggests. These unsung heroines remind us that wisdom is not limited to those with power or privilege, but emerges from courage, creativity, and resilience. So, the next time you read a philosophical text or debate an idea, ask yourself, whose voices are missing? What perspectives have been erased, overlooked, or dismissed? By seeking out these hidden voices, we not only honor the women who shaped thought across centuries, but we also deepen our own understanding of the human experience. The story of philosophy is incomplete without them, and once we listen, we realize that the unsung heroines of thought were never silent. They were writing, questioning, and imagining worlds beyond the boundaries imposed upon them. And today their wisdom invites us to think more boldly, live more ethically, and challenge the assumptions we take for granted. In reclaiming their voices, we reclaim the full story of human thought, and perhaps we discover new paths for our own minds to follow.